it's 5:30 in the morning and we're up to start our day. And this is the view over the lake and reservoir. Turn my headlamp off. That's beautiful. That's beautiful this morning. I am taking little man out to go potty. Gonna grab our food bags that are hanging on that tree right there. Start our day.
Campsite is broke. Okay.
All right, we're done. We're on our way out. We'll see these guys down the road, and we're off. You ready, Baxter? Here we go. Right there's where we hung our food bags last night. This is gorgeous.
Enjoy the view. There was light.
Oh, I know. Yeah, I saw it this morning. I hope it came out on the video.
And something blinking in the middle of them.
Oh, sunrise.
Look at that.
It's our first blaze in the morning. Boom. Good morning, Foothills Trail. Very thankful for another day out here. Gonna be a good one. We're on our way down to Waterfalls parking lot where Trina is meeting us with our resupply. We left our second half of food with her, so she's meeting us there too. We can pick up our resupply, and she's bringing a bunch of treats. She's bringing fresh fruit, bringing donuts and sodas, stuff to fix some sandwiches. We're gonna just have a wonderful visit with her and enjoy some treats before we move on for the day. So it's 2 miles down there. Then after that, we have 9 more miles to go. Wow, look at that view. This is a beautiful area. Well, this is our 2 mile point. This is South Carolina, or North Carolina? North Carolina, Route 281. The Foothills Trail goes back into the woods across the street somewhere, but it makes a bunch of loops and curves and turns just to get to the parking lot we need to meet at. So we're gonna do a little road walk. We're gonna turn left here. And then the entrance to the park is going to be a little bit on our right. All right, hold on, we got to cross. I think we're good. Ready? Okay, come on, Bax, let's go. Let's go. Don't dilly-dally. Let's go. We're crossing the road. Good boy. Good trailhead parking here. So the Foothills Trail will go back in over there at the end of the parking lot. We're going straight up here. White Waterfalls Scenic Area, part of the Nantahala National Forest. We are headed down. Hi, Sherry. We're headed down here. That was a tight little. That's a tight little walk there next to the guardrail. Good Lord. We're bypassing some zigzaggy trail stuff.
We're getting close to that.
Just to get here, and then we just continue on. It's a loop. Right.
Okay.
All right. Down we go. So we bypassed hiking on the trail and wound up right here. There's trash, which I'm gonna go throw away. There's bathrooms that have flush toilets and running water. We're all gonna clean up a little bit. We're about an hour early. Trina's gonna meet us at 9. So we got plenty of time to get ourselves cleaned up and figure out what we need to leave behind and take with us and all the good stuff. That was an amazing Trail Magic breakfast and resupply. Trina is awesome. We had a great time. Gang's ahead of us there. We're gonna catch up. We're gonna see a waterfall before we go back on trail. We're cutting through the parking lot here. It's a great day. Thank you for all y'all doing. Thank you guys. All's out there. And now we get to go down the stairs. Woohoo! Yeah, the local search and rescue is doing some training exercises this morning. It's Saturday. Baxter's got the stairs down pat here. I think we're all navigating pretty well. There's a lot of them. White Waterfalls. Wow, that is a beautiful waterfall.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a beautiful waterfall.
Ooh, all of a sudden we got some stairs. .8 left to our hike. We're gonna stop right here, cross the bridge and get in the water. Take an extended break. Have a snack or two. Maybe let this guy get in the water. He's kind of tired today, it's hot.
Those are good too.
Somebody's enjoying himself. Yeah, did you get in the water? Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Baxter, bud. No, you're good. You're adorable, sir.
She
All
handed
right.
me this towel to dry 'em and she
Everybody got in the river. We cooled off. Did a quick little, rinse off everything that we needed to rinse off. Good to go. I think we're at the 50-step staircase. Let me get in front of you, Sherry. I want to see what's... Stay here, Baxter. Stay here, bud. She's counting. That's a long way down. All right.
There they are.
Awesome.
50? Yeah,
51.
50 for bonus. Okay.
Okay. Bear Camp Creek Campground. 5:17. We made it. What a long day. Woo! All right, we'll find a place to set up. We'll get ourselves going. We're gonna go hang our food bags. This site has bear cables. Let's go find them. I haven't been over here yet. Have you been over here, Sherry?
I did, and I walked in and I didn't see him because I was looking for him. And Dan said, no, you got to go a little farther and turn left and you see him.
Okay. Oh, they're right over there, I think.
I didn't go in far enough.
All right, let's go do that.
That's a small part.
Come on. There's only one small carabiner.
Two.
I've got a bigger
Oh,
one.
two.
On my pack.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now we all need to help.
Right.
Yep. Sarah, hoist this.
Let's see if she can hoist that up.
If you can hoist that. All right. Down and low.
Kind of low. You're right. No, it's not going to go much higher.
They've got short bears here in South Carolina. That's right. I mean, theirs is the only one, and hers is up pretty good. So
You know, more than anything, they probably are worried about coons.
That's what I was thinking, so, yeah.
It's more about raccoons. I haven't seen any bear, no bear scat, no
Uh-uh.
or anything. Although this is Bear Creek Camp.
yeah.
Yeah. Or Bear
Well, there's
Camp.
that.
That's the best you can do.
I'm good with it.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
All right, this is our campsite here tonight. Pretty much all set up. We're gonna finish getting our tent put together. This little guy's all of a sudden got second wind. We'll go down and fill up some water for tomorrow. Beautiful river. Great place to fill up water. Just gotta get down here and get deep. Deep enough for it to fill. Here we go. For water for tomorrow in the morning. I might just end my day right here. It was another hot day. It was a short mileage day, but it was a long day because we had that resupply this morning, which was phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Thank you so much for bringing us that food. It was amazing. We got about 11.2 tomorrow. We're gonna leave about 6:30 or 7. The mosquitoes here are crazy. And get that done. That'll be day 5. So this is day 4. Having a blast. It's hard because it's hot. Temperatures are gonna drop a little bit tomorrow, so it won't be as brutal with the heat. So thank you for watching. Hope you're enjoying our journey. See you tomorrow.